If you haven't seen us before, we're Ben and Sarah from Pack Lunch and Travel.
We're starting a 32-day road trip, seeing some of the most scenic places that the UK and Ireland has to offer. Hello to all.
We're in Ambleside at the Lake District, and it's just stopped raining.
We are currently doing the Ambleside Champion Tree Trail. We're going to walk through some of the tallest trees in Cumbria. According to the little sheet we've got here to guide us through, it's going to be like walking through British Columbia. So any Canadians out there watching this video, tell us if it's similar.
I mean, I've not been to British Columbia, that's quite a claim.
And it's really cold now, so we have to get moving, I think.
Yeah, let's get going. What does that mean?
My first waterfall of the trip.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
I can just about see it, yeah.
Sit on this bench. And have a lovely waterfall view.
Look at that!
It's not bad, is it?
Oh wow, I like it. And we haven't even had a tea, we can have a tea now. Oh.
Need that tea going.
This is a very nice view.
Very nice view of the waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah. That's so cool.
That's crazy. How tall that is.
Oregon and Washington. Two places we want to go.
Yeah. Like how they've all got signposts on the trees, or quite a lot of them.
Yeah.
It's quite cool.
Isn't it?
Tells you what they are, otherwise you wouldn't have a clue, would you?
No.
Where they're from.
It's cool, it's a bit like a botanic garden. We should turn left and begin a steep climb through the Gallery of Giants. Oh, I think we found the champion.
Is that the champion tree?
That's the champion. This tree.
Tallest tree in Cumbria, measured at 54 metres in 2011, so they've obviously need an update perhaps.
Yeah.
Probably be taller now, won't it?
Probably like 12 feet taller at least. Look at this one. Squishy.
It's squishy, isn't it?
Isn't that funny?
Yeah. The Gallery of Giants awaits. Champion tree.
Oh. Oh, it's another champion tree. It tells you where the tallest one in America is.
Oh.
Near Vancouver.
So Vancouver, 75 metre tree.
But this one's 58.
This one's 58. Oh, there you go, 150 years old.
Wow.
California. Is it soft?
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah.
Quite soft.
Look at all the little layers. It's kind of spongy. Love it.
Another steep climb. They do look pretty impressive trees. It's very muddy with all this rain we've been getting. And there's more to come.
In about an hour.
Yeah. Nice stroll in the woods, fresh air.
And all the tall trees.
Yeah.
They were cool.
No longer in the Cambridge polluted air that we breathe in every day.
Oh.
I like the greens near the bottom of the trees. Like
Yeah, yeah. Me too. Just follow the path. Oh, look. Oh.
too.
That's so pretty.
Brings calm to the mind.
That's nice. Does it make you want to go to North America?
Yeah.
See
Like
some.
a nice one.
Yeah.
It would be like this but 10 times bigger.
Yeah. If you want to join us on our epic UK and Ireland road trip, subscribe now and follow the journey.
Do it, share with everyone. Hopefully it'll give you some inspirational ideas to travel to the UK or follow along.
See different bits of the UK you haven't seen before.
So hit the subscribe so you don't miss out.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See you then.